Devintelle's Courier Management System, the smarter way to manage courier's operations. Track courier performance with key metrics and visuals. Create detailed courier requests for smooth tracking. Manage customer profile and improve communication. Customize pricing and service to match your needs. Track courier stages with real-time updates. Analyze deliveries, delays, and rating easily. Generate accurate invoice automatically. Let customers track shipments in real time. Secure portal for customers to track their request. Email feedback request quickly and easily. Print or download courier request as a PDF. Ready to transfer your courier? Contact us today 87805 43446.